Hey, right now I'm making a Thompson review. My dad's over there, so you might hear talking. Well, there it is. Let's see it. Here's the full auto, semi-auto, then got the full auto. And then right here, safety, fire, safety. And then the clip, there's a little thing right here. Push that up so it clicks. And then hit the button and pull the clip out. And then there's thing here. Some Thompsons, on the bottom you have to wind it up. Mine doesn't really have to do that. And it takes pretty much any BBs. I like to use these biodegradable ones that come in this tube thing. And let's see. I'm going to load it. Okay. Load up the speed loader. Unfortunately, you have to use the speed loader. That's the only way that this gun clip will work. And then put in here. There. Here, just a circle to get right there. And sorry, I have a very bad camera. So then just put the BBs in. Okay, my speed loader's not working right now, just a sec. There we go. And then eventually you won't be able to get any more BBs in, and that's how you know that you have filled up. There's probably going to be a lot left in the speed loader. If BBs stop coming in, pull it out and start doing it again, because it's not always finished. And then when absolutely nothing can get in, it should look like that. And don't have to wind it up because it's already there. And then take the gun and put it back in. And clip that thing down. Then, oh yeah, and sorry, I'm trying to balance my camera. There. Okay. There's a little piece right here. This has absolutely no purpose at all whatsoever. And then the battery is right back here. Pull this, pull it out, twist it like that, and the battery's in there. And put it back in. Now I'm going to shoot it. Now this gun shoots really fast. Well, not really fast, but pretty good. Safety off. Okay, you can't see the BBs on this camera because, like I said earlier, it's pretty bad. I'm still saving up to get a better one. But yeah, that's the best I can do for now, so see ya.